Lesson 4.2, Video 2. So let's take a look at these powers, starting with the quotient rule. Alright, now these have lots of little writing here, so I'm going to zoom in. And how do we deal with this first one? Well, we have A's on top and bottom. So, and again, I'm going to do this longhand first. A cubed means that there are 3 A's. B to the 5th means that there are 4, or excuse me, 5. On the bottom, we have only 1 A, because that's a power of 1. And then we have B, B, and B. Now, as we discussed, we can cancel the same number that are on top as there are on bottom. And we're left with A squared, because there's 2 A's there, and B squared. Now that's the answer, and it's longhand, and you can do that. But to apply the property is to say A to the top exponent minus the bottom exponent, which gives us A squared. To do the B, we would have top exponent minus the bottom exponent, again relating to the same variable, which gives us B squared. Same answer. Alright, next one. Now we have numbers. Well, we can focus on, I'm going to do this all shorthand here. That's a power of 1. I'm going to take my variable, or my numbers first, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then I'm going to take my x's, which are these two, and it's x to the 1 minus 1. Then we have our y's, which is y to the, again, always top number first, 7 minus 3, which gives us 2 x to the 0, y to the 4th. And this brings up our other property. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So we can actually take that out and have our final answer as 2 to the y, or excuse me, 2 times y to the 4th. Alright, next one. Focusing on, of course, our first one, our first variables. So I have x to the top number, top exponent minus the bottom exponent, which will give us x to the 1. Take a look at our y's, and it's y to the 4th minus 1. So that's a variable exponent of 1 there. So y to the 4 minus 1, which gives us y to the 3. And this can be written as x, y cubed. Alright, last one. Again, notice that we're only putting exponents together that have the same base. So if I again look at just the k's, I have k to the 7 minus 4. Then I look at my m's, and I have m to the 10 minus 4. Then I have my p's, which both have a power of 1, so p to the 1 minus 1. And this gives us k to the 3rd, m to the 6th, and p to the 0, which again we said is 1, so it can disappear, and leave us with k cubed m to the 6th. And this ends Lesson 4.2, Video 2.